Respected teachers, staff members, and my beloved students, good morning to all. Today we have gathered here with the pride and joy to celebrate the 79th Independence Day, our great nation, India. On this historic day in 1947, our country broke the chain of slavery after a long struggle and became free. Today is not just a holiday, it is a reminder of our freedom, our responsibilities, and our unity. First of all, let us bow our head to remember our great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and countless others who sacrificed their lives for the nation. Their courage, sacrifices, and vision have made it possible for us to breathe the air of freedom today. Dear students, freedom is precious, but freedom also comes with responsibilities. As young citizens, you are the future of our nation. Your hard work, honesty, discipline, and knowledge will shape the India of tomorrow. You may be in the classroom today, but tomorrow you will be doctors, engineers, soldiers, teachers, scientists, and leaders. So, the value you learn here in our school, respect, teamwork, kindness, and sincerity will guide you in life. Our school has always tried to give the best to its students, not only in the academic but also in sports, cultural activities, and social responsibilities. I am proud of our students who participated in various competitions, community service activities, environmental projects, and cultural events in the past year. This is how we build not only successful students but responsible citizens. Today, as we host our national flag, remember that the saffron color represents courage and sacrifice, the white represents peace and truth, and the green represents growth and prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra in the center tells us to keep moving forward and work tirelessly for the progress of our country. Let us also take a moment to think about the challenges our country still faces: poverty, pollution, corruption, and equality. We may not be able to solve everything in one day, but each of us can make a difference. You can start by keeping your surroundings clean, respecting elders, following traffic rules, saving water, and helping those in need. This year, the theme for Independence Day is Nation First, Always First. Let us take a pledge that we will always put our country interest above our personal interest. Be proud of our culture, heritage, and diversity. Respect everyone, every religion, every language, and every fellow Indian. Dear students, always remember freedom is not free, it has been earned by the sacrifice of millions. Let us keep it alive by being honest, responsible, and hardworking citizens. As our first Prime Minister Pandit Nehru said in his famous speech long year ago, we made a trust with destiny. Today it is our duty to keep that destiny alive by making India stronger, cleaner, and more prosperous. At last, not least, on this Independence Day, let us fill our hearts with patriotism, our mind with knowledge, and our action with sincerity. Let us salute our nation flag and promise to serve our nation with all our strength. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.